Hello friends, now you can see our homepage is ready. Okay, so we have to create add patients, add medicine and checkup. Okay, in this video, so let's start. So how can we create that? It's too simple. You have to create a new JFrame form. Click on package name, new JFrame form. Name it as add patient. Okay, so increase it width like that. Okay, from home you need to copy this one. Simply copy, Control V here. Okay, now you can see, adjust its size. Okay, and adjust it also from here. Okay, now you can see it's ready. What we have to do here, we have to take a panel for background. So simply take a panel, drag and drop here, and if this happens you have to design from top parent. Okay, you can see I have to click on design top parent. Okay, so increase its size as required, because we have to take the information from user to fill this form. Okay, and here I also have to take a text area that I have to put here. First of all, click it here, properties, change the background color to white. You may set any color. Okay, close it, close. Now take a label, put it here, properties, and type add new patient. Okay, so make it 18 and bold. Okay, close. Now take another label, put it here, adjust its size like that. Okay, little increase more, and open properties, set the text to ID and make it bold. Okay, 14, bold. Okay, close. Now what we have to do, we have to take a text field or taking the input from user. Okay, so put it here, open design, adjust the size like this, and properties, set the text to an empty string. Okay, so that's all what we have to do here. Simply click the design and select this one, and you have to press Ctrl D. Okay, for duplication. You can see how easily it's duplicate. Okay, so that's done. Adjust the size of this text area. Okay, like that. Also adjust from here. So what I have to take from user ID, then name. Okay, then gender, contact, contact number, and then edit text, address, okay, and one last thing is age. Okay, so age, that's all. These are the information that we have to take from patient. You may set in any order. Okay, it's depend upon you. And now we have to take a button and put it here, edit text, save data, and simply select this one to and press Ctrl D, duplicate, and here open properties, type search, okay, search patient, okay, and make it 14 bold, okay. Also open properties, okay, and also set its size to 14 and bold. So add patient menu is ready. Later adjust it. It's better. Now it's also better. So open properties of this form and click on code, because we need to generate in the center of screen, okay. Close. Okay, we need to reduce its size. So let me check what's the problem. Okay, you have to preview to click, okay. So how can you preview? There is an option, preview design, and say this one is our design look like, okay. Here you have to type all the information and say patient, okay, and all the information of that particular patient is available here. So now it's time to save the record of our medicines. So how can we do that? Simply Control A, click in this form, okay, Control A to select all, Control C, and then what we have to do, new JFrame form, okay, and name it as add medicines, okay. Now click it here and press Ctrl V, okay. I think it's not copied. Simply select like that, Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V here. Why it's not pasting? Wait, let me check. Select like that, okay, copy it and now paste it, okay. So adjust its size, and instead of this we have to write add medicine, okay. Edit text, add new medicine, and ID name, okay. Edit text, buying price, okay, and sell price, and information of that medicine, okay, uses, and one last thing is quantity, okay, how much quantity is available. So you can see how easily we design, okay. Instead of this, edit text and welcome, okay, and we also have to change this one, So now it's time to link with home page. So how can we do that? Simply click on this patient. Okay, event, mouse and mouse click. Okay, so here what we have to do, set visible false and add patients, which is go to new of add patients dot. Okay, and add patients dot set visible true. Now we also have to open a design, and same like we also have to do for medicines. Okay, so events mouse. Okay, mouse clicked, set visible false, and then add medicine, which is equal to new of add and add medicines dot set visibility, which is equal to true. Okay, make it true. Now when I run this one, you can see one is for login and this one is our home page. Add patient. You can see there is no option for returning back, so we also have to put a button to go home. Okay, so how can we do that? In the add patient, when the user click on this icon, or we simply create a button. Okay, for home page, so put it here, edit text, home, double tap, set visible false. Okay, create an object of home and home dot set visible. Okay, which is true. So we also have to do for the other frame, control C and control V, drag and drop it here, so you can see it's also copy the code. Okay, now one thing is remaining. Open the design of add medicine. Let me check on properties and then code, generate in the center of screen. Okay, so generate center. Okay, close. So that's done for this video. Now you can see we designed two more forms and linked with our home page. Okay, so type 1 for login, add patient, home, add medicine and home. Okay, so now in the next video we have to design the checkup menu, earning and reports. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata. See you.